Alright, freezer biscuits. Real biscuits, real prep. No hacks, no gadgets, just the kind of quiet kitchen math your grandmother would nod at. I start with the heart of it. Flour, a whisper of sugar, a small mountain of frozen butter. I grate the butter straight from the freezer so it falls like cold confetti. It hits the flour, and I toss it with my fingertips until it looks like crumbly snow. Lucy tries to eat it. I confiscate the bowl. Violet approves. Into the snow goes sourdough starter, mature, bubbly, the good stuff, and cool buttermilk. I stir just until it comes together. When it looks shaggy and slightly unruly, I stop. Overmixing ruins biscuits, and Lucy must be supervised at all times. I tip the dough onto the counter, 4, maybe 5 folds. Then I tuck it into a banneton, covered, into the fridge overnight for a slow ferment. That's the difference between pretty good and why does this taste like Saturday morning at my grandma's? Next morning, I turn the dough out. Salt, baking powder, baking soda, sprinkle, fold, turn, science. I invented this. I move on. I pat the dough to a modest half-inch. No towering hockey pucks. These rise for real because the lamination is built into those gentle folds. Cutter. Floured glass. Straight down. No twisting. Twisting seals edges. Sealed edges don't rise. We set the rounds on a parchment-lined sheet. Let them relax and puff just a touch, while I label a freezer bag like a civilized adult. Tray goes into the freezer until the biscuits are hard as little snow globes. Then I bag them. Air pressed out. Date and bake temp written loud enough that morning brain can read it. Make once, bake anytime. When hunger strikes, I preheat to 425 degrees. Frozen biscuits onto a tray. A quick brush of cream. A quick brush of butter. Then straight into the heat. No thawing, no drama. 12 to 18 minutes depending on your oven. Golden. Proud. Loud. Violet plates hers, butter melting politely. Lucy inhales hers like it's evidence. I crack one open. Steam. Layered crumb. That tangy, deep flavor from the overnight ferment.